Tallahassee, where she resides now. She was unable to be here, but she did wish everyone her best. Some of you know Juanita long before I did. She wrote, she was a writer. She was born in southern Louisiana. She moved to Tampa in 1945. She worked in the Tampa Times. She was a writer on the Daytona News Journal, and then she joined where she did a lot of work on our beaches. And then she joined the Herald staff in 1956. She had covered a wide range of topics in government. She was present at the Florida Cabinet meeting where the Holy Land Wildlife Management Area was discussed. And present at that meeting was also Marjory Stoneman Douglas. They both, Marjory very strongly supported the acquisition, and that area in the Rodenberger area have a special meaning and long-term heritage with the Florida Wildlife Federation. One of those, if anybody saw, hopefully most of them, let me ask you to raise your hands. How many of you all saw Ken Burns' award-winning series on America's National Park? America's Best Idea. Juanita was featured in that, and she was very involved in writing about what became the Key Biscayne National Monument, which is now the Key Biscayne National Park. And people accept that, and that's the unit of the national park system now. But it was not easy protecting those lands. There was a proposal to build a new city in what became the park. It was going to be a new city known as Icelandia, and the dredging was going forward on that project. And she brought the attention to that, and that is captured in Burns' epic series. I've seen Juanita at many meetings about the Everglades. She cares about Florida Springs. She loves Florida. She's been a lifetime advocate for protecting those iconic pieces of Florida that we also do. So we will be very honored to present that to her